Welcome. Today I'll explain how to solve problems systematically, whether it's a math problem, physics question, or any analytical challenge. Following a structured approach is key to success. The six-step method I'll show you provides a reliable framework that you can apply to virtually any problem you encounter. Let's focus on the first two critical steps. Step 1 is reading and understanding the question thoroughly. Don't just skim through it. Read it multiple times to ensure you grasp what's being asked. Step 2 is identifying all given information. Look for numbers, units, conditions, and constraints. Let's see this with an example. A car travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours. What is its average speed? Here, we identify the given information. Distance equals 120 kilometers. Time equals 2 hours. And we need to find the average speed. Now we move to steps 3 and 4. Step 3 is clearly identifying what we need to find, in our case, the average speed. Step 4 is choosing the right method or formula. For speed problems, we use the fundamental formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. Let's apply this to our example. We substitute our known values. Speed equals 120 kilometers divided by 2 hours, which gives us 60 kilometers per hour. This systematic approach ensures we don't miss any steps. Finally, we reach steps 5 and 6. Step 5 is applying the method systematically. We've already done this by substituting our values into the speed formula. Step 6 is crucial. Checking our answer. We verify that our units are correct. Kilometers per hour is indeed a unit of speed. We check if the magnitude makes sense. 60 kilometers per hour is a reasonable speed for a car. We confirm our logic. Both distance and time are positive values. And we double-check our calculation. 120 divided by 2 equals 60. Our final answer is 60 kilometers per hour. Let's summarize what we've learned today. The six-step problem-solving method provides a reliable framework for tackling any analytical challenge. Remember to read and understand the problem. Identify given information. Determine what needs to be found. Choose the appropriate method. Apply it systematically. And always check your answer. Here are some key tips for success. Take your time with each step. Never skip the checking phase. Practice with different types of problems. Learn from your mistakes. And build a toolkit of useful formulas. With this systematic approach, you now have the tools to confidently solve any problem that comes your way. Practice makes perfect.